Before you join any internet marketing business opportunity, watch this video. I will show you 10 warning signs that can protect your money. One of these signs appears inside many trusted online programs. Most beginners never notice it until they have already paid. And right now, more people are searching for online income. That means more honest opportunities are appearing. It also means more bad offers are targeting hopeful beginners. The biggest danger is not always an obvious scam. Sometimes the real danger is a polished business that looks safe. It has professional videos. It has exciting testimonials. It has income screenshots. It may even have a large online community. Yet none of those things prove that you will make money. That is the first truth you need to understand. A professional website does not prove a professional business. And the next warning explains why easy income promises work so well. Many internet marketing offers sell the same powerful dream. You can earn fast income with very little work. You may hear words like automated, passive, or proven. Those words remove fear from the buying decision. They make the business sound safe. They make success sound almost certain. But every real business includes risk. Every real business needs customers. Every real business takes testing, patience, and skill. No seller can honestly guarantee your personal income. Your results will depend on your budget. They will depend on your audience. They will depend on your offer and traffic source. They will also depend on your willingness to keep learning. The Federal Trade Commission takes income claims very seriously. Certain business opportunity sellers must support those claims. They need written proof for the results they advertise. That means you should never accept an income screenshot alone. You should ask better questions. How many customers earned that amount? How long did it take them? How much did they spend on advertising? Does the screenshot show revenue or real profit? What percentage of buyers earned nothing? Imagine someone shows you a $10,000 month. That sounds impressive. But perhaps they spent $8,000 on advertising. Perhaps they already owned a huge email list. Maybe they spent 5 years building their audience. You are seeing the result. You are not seeing everything behind the result. An honest seller should welcome fair questions. A dishonest seller will avoid those questions. They may change the subject. They may increase the pressure. They may warn that the price rises tonight. And that pressure leads into the second major warning. Online fraud is not some small problem from the past. The Federal Trade Commission received millions of fraud reports during 2025. Consumers reported almost 16 billion, that's billion with a B, in total losses. Those losses covered many types of fraud. They did not only involve internet marketing, but the numbers reveal something important. Online deception has become a massive business. Scammers follow attention. They follow fear. They follow people who urgently need more money. Today, millions of people want remote work. They want flexible hours. They want a business they can run from home. Scammers build offers around those exact dreams. They advertise through normal online channels. You may see their ads on social media. You may see them on job websites. You may receive their offers through email. Their advertisements can appear beside honest companies. That makes the bad offers harder to spot. A fake opportunity can still have a beautiful website. It can include videos, dashboards, and live support calls. It can also include testimonials from supposed customers. You should always check facts outside the seller's website. Search the company name with words like complaint. Try the company name with refund. Search the company name with lawsuit or FTC. You can also search for account closed or earnings claim. Read both positive and negative results. Do not trust only the reviews displayed on the sales page. The seller controls those reviews. They choose which success stories you see. Now, you also need to understand one important difference. A business opportunity is not the same as a job, yet many sellers blur that line on purpose. Some online offers begin like job advertisements. They discuss positions, openings, or applications. They may even call you a strong candidate. Then something changes. You learn that you must pay for training. You may need to buy software. You may need to purchase a starter package. At that point, you are not being hired. You are being sold something. Real employers normally pay workers. They do not charge people for access to employment. The FTC warns consumers about this exact switch. Scammers may promote fake work-from-home opportunities. They often target people seeking business income. Watch for several clear warning signs. You must pay before learning your actual duties. The company promises income almost immediately. Nobody clearly explains the product. The main activity involves recruiting new members. The recruiter contacts you through a personal account. The company asks for private information too early. Urgency can also hide the truth. A recruiter may say only 3 positions remain. They may demand payment before midnight. That pressure prevents research. It also stops you from asking someone else for advice. Honest companies allow you to review important details. They do not fear careful buyers, but even a real business opportunity can still fail. It may provide everything promised. It may include pages, emails, and automation, and you could still make no money. Here is why. A proven system still needs real customers. Many sellers focus on their marketing tools. They show you landing pages. They show you email campaigns. They show you tracking dashboards. They may call the business completely done for you. Those tools can save time, but tools cannot create demand for an unwanted product. A working website does not guarantee customers. An email system cannot help without subscribers. Automation only repeats the process you already built. It cannot repair a poor offer. It cannot create trust with the wrong audience. The Small Business Administration recommends market research before launching. It also tells business owners to calculate startup costs. That advice may sound less exciting, but it can protect you from an expensive mistake. Before joining any program, define the actual customer. What problem does that person want solved? Why would they choose this offer? Where do those people spend time online? How much could reaching them cost? Now, traffic is another area where sellers use vague language. They may promise 500 highly targeted visitors. That sounds valuable. But where will those visitors come from? What country do they live in? What interests have they shown? Have they requested information about your type of offer? 500 random clicks may produce no sales. 50 interested visitors may create several customers. Traffic quality matters more than a large number. Ask exactly how the traffic gets targeted. Do not accept phrases like premium traffic. Do not accept laser-targeted visitors without details. The words sound impressive. The source and targeting method reveal the real value. Let me ask you something. Have you ever joined an online program with hidden extra costs? Tell me what happened in the comments below. Your story may help another beginner avoid the same mistake. Because hidden costs are the next warning. And they can destroy your budget faster than a poor product. Many opportunities advertise a low starting price. You may see a $7 trial. You may see a small one-time payment. You may even see a free starting option. But the first payment may only open the door. Then you discover the other required expenses. You may need a domain name. You may need website hosting. You may need email software. You may need tracking tools. You may need paid advertising. Some programs also charge for coaching. Others sell leads or traffic packages. These costs may appear after you join. That makes the opportunity look cheaper than it truly is. Before paying, build a complete 6-month expense list. Include all required monthly services. Include all strongly recommended services. Include advertising and payment fees. Include possible refunds. Also, include any renewal costs. Many beginners only calculate their first month. That creates a false sense of safety. A $27 monthly tool costs $162 over 6 months. 3 similar tools would cost almost $500. That does not include advertising. Never borrow money based on expected online income. Expected income cannot cover a guaranteed monthly payment. Protect your rent, food, medical costs, and household bills. Only test with money you can safely lose. But money is not the only thing you can lose. Your advertising account can also disappear. And when that happens, your traffic may stop overnight. Many marketers build everything around one platform. They may depend completely on Google Ads. Others depend on Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. That creates one dangerous point of failure. Google requires ads to present clear and honest information. It does not allow misleading claims or hidden details. Serious violations can lead to account suspension. Imagine spending months building a Google Ads campaign. Then one policy issue blocks the entire account. Your traffic could stop within hours. Your sales could also fall immediately. Social platforms create the same basic risk. Their rules can change. Their review systems can make mistakes. Their reach can drop without warning. You do not own those platforms. You do not control their final decisions. Build several traffic sources instead. You could combine search traffic with videos. You could add partnerships or helpful articles. Most importantly, build an email list. An email list lets you contact subscribers directly. You must still follow email laws. You must also follow your provider's rules. But a subscriber list gives you more control. That brings us to another warning. Email marketing creates a valuable business asset. It also creates legal duties many beginners never learn. The CAN-SPAM Act sets rules for commercial email. Your sender information must be honest. Your subject line cannot mislead people. Your emails must include a working unsubscribe method. You must also honor unsubscribed requests. Hiring another company does not remove your responsibility. You can still face problems when a vendor sends for you. Avoid email systems built around scraped addresses. Avoid buying large lists of unknown contacts. Those people never asked to receive your messages. They may report your emails as spam. Too many reports can damage your sending reputation. Your email service could also close your account. Use a clear sign-up form. Tell subscribers what they will receive. Send helpful messages, not endless sales pitches. Make your name and contact details easy to find. Trust takes time to build. One careless email can damage that trust quickly. Now, let us talk about something income screenshots often ignore. Taxes begin much earlier than many new marketers expect. Some sellers speak about gross sales like personal income. That can create a painful surprise later. The IRS may treat online earners as self-employed workers. You must report your business profit. You may owe income and self-employment taxes. A small net profit can still create filing duties. Self-employed workers may also need estimated tax payments. No employer withholds those taxes for you. You must plan for them yourself. Suppose your business brings in $1,000 this month. You did not automatically gain $1,000. You must subtract advertising. You must subtract software and payment fees. You must account for refunds. Then you must prepare for possible taxes. Keep records for every payment and every expense. Save invoices, statements, and commission reports. Also, consider using a separate business checking account. That makes tracking your real numbers much easier. And real numbers matter because revenue screenshots can fool you. Revenue and profit are not the same thing. A seller may show $20,000 in monthly revenue. That number can look life-changing. But suppose they spent $15,000 on ads. Then they spent $3,000 on software and workers. Refunds may remove another $1,000. Their real profit could only be $1,000. The screenshot still shows $20,000. Always ask whether results show revenue or profit. Ask whether advertising costs were included. Ask whether software and refunds were included. Also, ask about the date range. One strong month may follow several losing months. Never copy another person's spending from a screenshot. Their experience may be different. Their audience may already trust them. Their budget may be much larger than yours. Run a small test using your own numbers. Track every dollar that enters and leaves. Increase spending only after your results show real profit. You may think a money-back guarantee removes the risk. Sometimes it helps, but refund promises can offer far less protection than expected. A guarantee can make a purchase feel safe. The written terms matter more than the spoken promise. Some sellers require several steps before approving refunds. You may need to complete every lesson. You may need to attend support calls. You may need to prove you followed the system. Other programs use very short refund windows. The full training may take longer than that window. You could discover the main problems too late. Read the full refund policy before paying. Save a dated copy on your computer. Check for special conditions. Also, remember one important detail. A course refund will not return outside advertising costs. It will not refund another company's software charges. Pay with a method offering clear dispute options. Be careful when sellers demand cryptocurrency. Also, avoid gift cards and wire transfers. Those payment methods can make recovery much harder. You do not need to reject every internet marketing opportunity. You need a clear process before joining one. Here is the exact checklist I would use. First, find the company's legal business name. Confirm its location and contact details. Learn who owns the company. Second, request written proof for income claims. Do not rely on videos or screenshots. Third, calculate the full 6-month cost. Include tools, traffic, training, and renewals. Fourth, speak with current customers when possible. Ask about support, expenses, and real profit. Do not only ask whether they like the program. Fifth, explain the product in one simple sentence. If you cannot explain it, selling becomes much harder. Sixth, ask whether customers benefit without recruiting others. Real demand should exist outside the opportunity. Make sure the marketing follows platform rules. Misleading claims can lead to bans and lost traffic. Eighth, plan for taxes and record keeping. Treat the income like business income from day one. Ninth, check how every subscription gets canceled. Do that before you start paying monthly charges. And finally, ask yourself one sharp question. Would I recommend this opportunity to someone I love? Your honest answer may reveal concerns you have ignored. Once an opportunity passes those checks, start small, smaller than the seller recommends. Choose one audience, choose one problem, choose one useful offer. Create helpful content around that exact problem. Build a simple page that collects interested subscribers. Then follow up with useful and honest emails. Track your visitors. Track your subscribers. Track your sales, refunds, and total costs. Avoid large advertising budgets during your learning stage. Spend small amounts. Study what happens. Keep the methods that work. Remove the methods that keep losing money. Do not buy another system whenever progress feels slow. New tools often create more confusion. Master one simple process before adding another. That approach may feel slower, but it protects your savings. It also builds skills you can use for years. Platforms will change. Software will change. The ability to help people and earn trust will still matter. Here are the 3 things I want you to remember. First, never trust income claims without proof and full expenses. Second, calculate every cost before you join the opportunity. Third, start small and let your own numbers guide you. Internet marketing can become a real business, but it is not automatic. It is not guaranteed. And it is never completely passive. Treat it like a business, not a lottery ticket. Research the seller, verify the claims, protect your household budget. Never let urgency replace proof. Before you buy any internet marketing business opportunity, use this checklist. That 20-minute review could save you thousands of dollars. It could also save months of stress and wasted effort. To learn even more about the internet marketing business, join my free masterclass at homebizsimple.com. The link's in the description below. Okay? Okay.